Are you going car camping for more than just a couple of days? Here are some hacks that I'll share with you that are going to make your camping experience more enjoyable. You'll want to stick around. When our family's camping nowadays, we're generally car camping and not so much backpacking. And so I love to be organized and I love to go light. And so what I've got in here is about 4 days worth of clothes and things that I need, and a few extra things that you'll be interested to see that are really fun camping hacks. Let me show you what I've got. So first of all, on top, just because it's heavy, I've got some walkie-talkies, and the kids just love these to keep in touch with each other as they're out hiking, and it's a lot of fun to be able to monitor them also. But the thing that's more important to me is the organization, specifically of my clothes. And when I was back doing a lot of scouting, this is what I did, is I packed everything into a baggie. So here's socks for 4 days, my underwear, we just roll them up, shirts, and I've got pants. These are my long pants. I love the Cool pants, K-U-H-L, really best pants on the planet. These are amazing. And you can see that they're all divided up, and I've actually stacked them so I can reach in on the top and say, oh, this is the shirt I'm going to wear on Tuesday. This is the one for Wednesday. So I don't have to fool around and try and find what's in each of the bags. And it really simplifies your life a little bit. Let me show you a few extra things that I really like when we take camping. This little device is a clothes hamper. So open it up, check that out. Super easy to set up, very convenient, easy to take along with you. Here's my super compact microfiber towel. Small, but effective. Some extra line that you can use for clotheslines or 100 different things. And it's easy to take some clothespins. So if you're car camping, you're going to need to hang something out that's wet, bring your clothespins. So duct tape, which is great, you can fix a hole in your tent, a leaky water bottle, maybe you need to repair a tent pole. Duct tape is a great thing to have, so throw some in. I always take an extra flashlight. I always carry a little bag of fire starters. So you can see in here I've got everything from just some matches to flint and steel, and I've got some lighters in there, so just some extra precautions to take with you. It's super easy and super simple and very compact. Here we've got a couple of different colors of surveyor's tape. So it's just some tape that you can mark lines that come off of your tent, or if you've got a clothesline, anything that you don't want to have someone run into, this is a great thing to have. Easy, compact, throw it in. Got some additional little baggies, and so these are handy if you've got leftovers, you want to save something for a snack, take it on a hike with you, or if kids are finding things treasures that they want to bring home. Maybe they're finding a rock or something that's interesting. Keep it clean, give them a little baggie to put that in. That's very handy. Here we've got a couple of paracord survival bracelets. These we taught how to make in another video, and actually it's a great little activity for your kids to do while you're out camping. They love it and it's fun. So make and keep and take with you your paracord bracelets. And finally, one of the real essentials is your toilet paper. Notice we've got a Ziploc baggie here. It's easy to open. We've removed the cardboard core from the middle so you can just reach in and pull the toilet paper from the center. So it keeps everything clean and dry. And when you're done, you can just tuck that back in, zip it up, and it's a great thing to keep with you at all times. There's some garbage bags that you should take. These are not only for your garbage, take your dirty clothes home, you can use them for a rain poncho. There are a lot of uses for garbage bags, but let me show you one of the things that I do inside my tent. You're car camping, bring your welcome mat. It's great to clean your shoes off before you go into your tent, and let me show you what I use my garbage bag for. Of course you're going to wipe your shoes off, but let me show you what I've already got set up inside the tent to keep it clean. I've got my garbage bag set there. I've got my pair of slippers, and so cleaned off my shoes, put my shoes into the bag, put on my slippers that only go inside my tent, and you keep your tent nice and clean. I always bring along my solar panels just to keep my devices charged. And there are a lot of great devices or solar panels out on the market. This is my favorite, Goal Zero. And so I just open this up, hang that from my tent, and it's got a battery pack. So I just hook these together, and I have never had a problem keeping everything charged, whether it's a laptop or your phone or whatever. So solar panels, easy, compact, take them with you. And in this end of my bag, I keep my toiletry kit. And this is just part of my camping gear, so it doesn't go anywhere else with me. It's got my soap and shampoo and deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and so that's easy and compact. And you can see that all of the stuff that we've got, 4 days worth, goes into my little bag. After doing this many, many times, you'll find the right size of bag for you. It's got the right compartments and the right pockets. And this just happens to work for me, and I know that I can go out for about 4 days very comfortably and take everything that I need, except for my food, and get along and be very happy. And these are things that I've learned over decades of camping that have made my camping experience much more enjoyable. And I've got one more hack that you'll want to see. Let me show you. At some point during your camping experience, someone's getting dirty, and you're going to wish that you had a washing machine. So we've built ourselves a Mountain Maytag washing machine. So we're just going to throw in a few shirts. We've got a plunger. You'll need a bucket with a hole in it. Make sure this is brand new, by the way, of course. Put that through. We've got some water in here. We've got some biodegradable soap that we just throw in. Throw in your laundry, and then start plunging. And you can give the kids that fell into the mud the responsibility, really the opportunity, to do the laundry. This will go for about 5 minutes. We'll come back and see you in a sec. We've been at this for a few minutes. As you can see, we've got a lot of suds in there. I think we're having an effective laundry. We're about ready to rinse. Now, if you're in an established campground, there are many places where you can go ahead and pour out your soapy water in a great place. They have drains. But if you're not, if you're just out camping by yourselves, make sure that you're using ethics and you're not pouring it by streams. You're at least 200 feet away from your campsite and from the water. Time to wring it out, and then we'll rinse. Now we're on rinse cycle. Now that we've rinsed our clothes, let's finish putting them up on the line. We hope that you've learned some new tips today, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv.